Yo.
I watched John's vlog yesterday.
He has a vlog?
Why did you say that? Why the fuck?
IKEA!
It's
Hey guys, it's Carrie the Scary Fairy. And today we're going to IKEA. My first time ever. Oh my god. I'm in IKEA. Whoa, look at that! Chairs! Or tables. I can't tell. They're $19 though.
That's a cheap table.
What?
like IKEA is like. We're starting in the checkout area.
So the first thing we're gonna do is find some food because I'm fucking starving, and so are we all, I think. So we're getting food and then we're gonna walk around. Yeah. Update, we got some food.
Oh.
Yeah, she got her chocolate as well. So we're doing this whole thing again. Yeah.
You be ejected, huh? She absolutely loves her dog.
It seems so like, but also you need to know that architecture, right? Get out!
We're done. Whoa! Rug, but we don't have a coffee table.
Just like get the whole thing right there. Hey guys, we are done furniture shopping. Out a bag full of clothes. Yeah, I didn't report much towards the end. Hey, how'd you find IKEA?
Very cool. I love
Very
IKEA.
cool, very cool. Thank you, IKEA.